Bruce identified this for us as a change of behavior. So we go into a different environment. This still shows a lot of strength to a thrust like this, right? So there's a lot of extension here. And then this is not necessarily by its character that damaging, right? We see some elements of the demand in those spikes. We see how this counter reaction is actually quite significant there. And there is a lot of coverage of those tails throughout the whole move to the downside, which is an element of the presence of the demand. We see that demand also from the volume signature itself. It seems like this is much better than this. So there is some kind of improvement by the demand. And then this area is interesting because there is no volume here that is like off compared to the previous volume, almost like ×2 less. But yet the spread is more compressed, right? So there's a lot of these smaller bars right here. So behind that, there is still an idea that supply is present, because we need to see like the equivalent of the volume relative to this bars right here, and these are much smaller. So supply is present, supply is increasing, and then boom, this bar is very interesting. So we had always demand coming in and increased in the volume spikes at the bottom of the trading range. Here, for the first time, we actually have it off the top. We might argue, yeah, maybe like right here, sell-in was increasing, of course, but it was at slightly lower level. Here, we don't see it. Here, it's less. So if we were to look like at this space right here, whatever other bars, this is definitely the most volume that's coming in.